Let's address why your AT&T Dual SIM might be malfunctioning. Common causes include software bugs, network congestion, incorrect APN settings, or hardware issues with the SIM card or phone. AT&T's Dual SIM service allows you to use two SIMs, either physical or eSIM, for features like separate work and personal lines or international roaming. Common causes include software bugs, network congestion, incorrect APN settings, or hardware issues with the SIM card or phone. However, about 15 to 20% of users experience problems. We'll guide you through potential solutions. First, restart your phone. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. If using a physical SIM, use a SIM ejector tool to remove and reseat the SIM card. Ensure the SIM is properly aligned in the tray. These steps address basic connectivity issues. Outdated software can cause dual SIM conflicts. Keeping your phone's operating system up to date is crucial for resolving these issues. On iPhones, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for the latest iOS version. On Android devices, go to Settings, then System, and choose System Update. Note that the exact path may vary slightly depending on your device model. Also check for any carrier settings updates through your phone. Finally, confirm that your AT&T plan supports dual SIM functionality and that both SIM cards are properly provisioned by AT&T. Incorrect access point name settings can cause data connectivity issues in your AT&T Dual SIM setup. The APN acts as a gateway that connects your device to the internet through the carrier's network. For AT&T, the standard APN is phone, and precise configuration is essential to avoid interference between your two SIM cards. On Android devices, you can check and modify APN settings manually. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point Names. Ensure the APN field shows phone for proper data routing. For iPhone users, AT&T typically configures APN settings automatically during SIM activation. Manual changes are rarely needed, but if issues persist, contact AT&T support for assistance. Remember to verify APN settings for both SIM cards in your dual SIM setup, as each may require correct configuration to prevent connectivity conflicts. Ensure your dual SIM preferences are configured correctly. Go to your phone's settings, such as iOS settings, then Cellular and Cellular plans. Verify which SIM is set for primary data usage and which is for calls and SMS. Switching these settings can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Also, confirm that neither SIM is accidentally disabled in the settings. Network congestion can impact dual SIM performance, especially in urban areas or during peak hours. If you experience intermittent connectivity issues, it might be due to network overload. Also, be aware that rural areas with weaker AT&T coverage may have higher failure rates. Dual SIM setups can also increase battery drain by 15 to 20% due to the additional network processing required. Consider moving to a location with better signal strength or contacting AT&T to inquire about local network issues. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your AT&T Dual SIM feature is still not functioning properly, it's time to reach out to AT&T customer support for professional assistance. AT&T support specialists have access to advanced diagnostic tools that can identify account-specific issues, check for local network outages affecting dual SIM functionality, and provide personalized solutions beyond basic troubleshooting. Before contacting support, gather essential information to help the representative assist you quickly and efficiently. Prepare your device model number, both SIM card numbers if applicable, and detailed descriptions of the specific problems you're encountering. According to recent user surveys, approximately 35% of dual SIM issues require contacting customer support for resolution, with an average resolution time of 48 hours when properly prepared. Contact AT&T support when self-troubleshooting fails. Their experts are ready to help resolve your dual SIM issues. If AT&T support cannot resolve your dual SIM issues, a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. Before proceeding, always back up your important data to prevent loss. Looking ahead, AT&T is making significant investments in network upgrades to improve dual SIM reliability and reduce issues. The mobile industry is trending toward eSIM dominance, replacing physical SIM cards for greater convenience and flexibility. The future promises true dual SIM, dual active support through upcoming 6G networks, enabling simultaneous voice and data on both SIMs without interruptions. To benefit from these improvements, keep your device software and carrier settings updated regularly.